So welcome back everybody for part 2. So let's try to finish this.
After we're finished here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, Jeremy, the stuffing?
Yeah. Oh. You ready for the stuffing now?
Mm-hmm.
It's funny because I told her I wanted to pick this one out, and I haven't even had time to do
Just put
it.
your pen.
Yeah, this is the one I want to do.
You want to bring it a paper towel?
Oh, thanks.
One of those,
Yeah, I might do that. I might just save us a little, present, because that's what we're supposed to be doing for the next 3 days, putting it out.
There you go,
And that's the one I'm gonna do. AJ,
now you can step in and do
in our
another one.
office.
Some different colors.
Oh, it is?
He
Oh.
sent me a file, but I tried to print it from the file you sent, but that must have been a mistake.
It was.
Yes.
A lot of stuffing.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
Then that a lot of stuff.
So much stuff.
Oh yeah, that's it. Then we I'll wait on it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Put more in it. That's not.
But I feel bad, I mean, that's
I'm trying to.
Monday? No, Friday. Do bathrooms on Friday. This Friday. Oh.
I'll still print this
Hot
one.
topic.
Oh,
Hot topic? Okay.
yeah, I found out from 15 p.m.
You know when come Monday? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Hot
but
topic.
that one is a different one.
No? You never been there yet?
Well, we wanted to have this rowdy, crazy battle.
Have you been there? No? Mm.
As our currency. We still can. How long are you able to proceed?
Alright. You wanna pass these out?
Yeah, we can play. I guess we could try, I guess.
Yeah, we whatever.
Sarah.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we could do that, or, I mean, I don't know, low pennies around, or beans.
So I have some bad news. I really messed up of what I made, so it's okay. We'll just put in the stuffings anyway,
Basically, beans.
and then continue to sew, and then we'll just draw
Yeah, we could.
the hands and the face,
Some of them are and
So
some
there's
of
only
them
this
are not.
1, 2,
and then that'll be it.
Sugar-free, sweets.
So
5, 6, 7.
No.
So yeah, exactly.
Good for
We
you.
probably will have a
Isn't
team
it
up.
pretty
So
good
we'll
for
have to
you?
plan this
For
tape.
your stomach, right? Yeah,
Let me
hot
get
tea, yeah.
one right now.
It's really good for
Nick,
you.
do you want to play?
And your throat, yeah. Your throat and your
No,
stomach.
sometimes.
Sometimes we don't.
Who wants to play? One. Kenny, Mary, do you guys want to play again? Real quick? No? Okay, so Kenny?
No.
Okay, do one.
How many pieces did
I think one case would be good. Let's see. You want to play? But you do? Did you want to play? No? Do you want to play?
I know.
No?
sorry.
I didn't realize
Did
there
you
was
want to play?
a on the back, that's cool.
You don't want to play bingo? Or,
I win. I will beat you guys.
Is a give a chance.
I want to give everyone fair.
Jeremy. Is it Jeremy Body?
Give up? Okay.
Cool.
Yeah, I messed up. Like one leg was stuck inside.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Do you want to take a break or anything? They're doing like a bingo type of game.
Okay, I guess I'll play.
You want to play, Erica?
Yeah.
Okay. And I think
Leslie?
actually,
But thanks, Jeremy.
I think Josh, you can do it on your own.
You change your mind?
Yeah.
Because we have enough. Yeah. George, you want to do one? Okay, so that's it. So the thing I went around after. Okay, cool. So these are images, right? They're images. Brendan, you played this before, right?
I know, yeah.
You've seen this before. Yeah.
How you can call into the microphone, like a real bingo ball.
Yeah, there you go.
You
Yeah.
Yeah, the mother was like very greedy and she had all the prizes. How most
Usually most Mexican markets have it.
I'm not sure.
Ooh, I want
Does the flamingo?
Yeah, can we take some? Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, take some. Yeah, there you go. Mom. Yeah, okay.
The budget's
There's Mexican teas, but I guess you have to make it. Yeah.
yeah, no, if I
Bachata?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're at the share.
Oh, yeah.
It's your mother, your father, or your sisters.
I'm telling you, I'm really good at bingo.
George said, "Where's the free stipend?" This is Spanish class.
You're right there, little Journey. This one doesn't have a free spot. Hi, George.
Oh, hi. How are you? Good. How about you?
No.
No?
We can hear you.
Okay.
Hey, George.
Alright, so
That's okay, then you
this is
go.
like bingo. The way you play basically is it's just images, right? So we go by
Yeah.
images. I'm sure you played this, Erika, right?
With my mom.
Yeah. So I mean, I guess we can do two ways of playing this. We can go. We'll do 2 rounds, right? So we'll do. Can I borrow this game for a second? So we'll do 4 in a row. Can you guys hear me back there? We'll do 4 in a row. So
Okay.
4 like this, 4 down, 4 diagonal. You know, just 4.
Yeah, like
And
a
then
big
we'll-
ass.
Exactly. And then we'll black it out.
Gotcha.
Some of these are a little risque. Remember, you guys got to find this back in the day.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Something like that.
I like it.
Oh.
So let's just
I have
ignore.
Oh,
my body's
Oh, okay. Tomorrow, when I get that.
Yeah, I'm surprised this game hasn't been canceled. Oh my god.
I bought
Give
you
me some
some.
time, guys.
Okay.
here's some
We're gonna stick
Oh,
with
okay.
on Amazon.
On Amazon?
Yeah, you have.
I have Amazon.
Yes, you have a drink that's
Yeah.
what you have.
Ice, but that won't work for you.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna pair, like fruit, and this one too.
You need to have something hot instead of cold. Big one. Chronic.
We'll call him the captain. We'll call him the captain. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys have to have
So remember, we'll do 2 rounds, right? So the first one, because that's a lot of candy.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you get one.
Yeah.
One's plenty, yeah.
What's up now? I mean, yeah, it's okay. Cool. Those are really good, actually. Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
So here's the first one.
Okay.
Las Jaras, which are the 2 crossing arrows. So it's number 31. If you look at the corner, there's a number. Okay, you got it. So Las Jaras, right?
Yeah.
Number 31.
31. Number 31. Let me
There's the
see.
2 arrows.
Ralph?
You got it?
That's right. Oh yeah, those? Yeah.
So there's also a number in the corner, right? That
Yeah.
corresponds to the
Yeah,
image,
we
right?
Don't have it. Yeah.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
So remember, we're playing 2 rounds. You got 4 in a row, 4 like this, 4 like that, or diagonal, okay? And then we're gonna black out,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Here's the next one. El borracho, right? It's the
Yeah.
guy drinking.
No, that's El Valiente. No, that's not the one.
Number 25.
Number 25. You don't have it
This is
either.
my uncle.
I don't have it either.
Multiple uncles on Saturday.
I'm gonna wait till Saturday to black out.
Yeah.
Well, I don't have it well.
You don't have it? Okay,
No.
so we just keep playing, okay?
Okay.
Number 25, right? Brandon?
Yeah.
Number 25? Okay.
Oh my gosh, you got
Here's the
it.
next one.
Uh-huh.
You have it.
Number 25.
We don't have it here.
Okay.
The spider, la araña, right? Number
Yeah.
33.
33.
The spider.
I don't have the spider. You don't have it either, huh? Dang it. We don't have it.
No
Ugh, I don't like
The
spiders.
spider. Okay, here's the next one.
So this is how you make a quokka stuffed animal.
Number 7, the ladder. The
La,
escalera.
la escalera.